On the 17th of April 2024, the Home Office published a new update regarding BRP expiring in December 2024. So if you hold a UK BRP expiring in December 2024, it's vital you watch this video till the end. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Now, let's discuss a crucial subject. The new BRP update was titled E-Visa Rollout Begins with Immigration Documents Replaced by 2025. Millions are being invited to switch from physical immigration documents to an E-Visa, a key step in creating a modernized and digital border. Now, before we continue with a full explanation of these new updates, as you are aware, the UK is heading toward a digital age. This has been the talk of the Home Office for a while now. The agreement is that, as of January 1st, 2025, all of those hard copies, such as your BRP, will no longer be available. Online data are now being used in place of paper documents to verify your immigration status. Here, I discuss UK immigration and travel opportunities. If these topics tickle your fancy, consider hitting that subscribe button. Pay close attention. According to the new update from the Home Office, the next stage in the government's plan to modernize the border and introduce a digital immigration system is underway, as the Home Office moves closer to the implementation of e-visas for nearly all visa holders living in the UK by 2025. Listen up, guys. This means that everyone holding a biometric residence permit is supposed to replace it before January 2025. Because physical documents will no longer be accepted at the UK's borders. So as you can see, BRP are no longer needed. Yes, the biometric resident cards are no longer valid. Likewise, no more resident cards. What about wet ink stamps on passports to attest to your status? Nope, those two are removed too. Gone are the tiny vignette stickers on passports that indicated your status as an enter or exit. Basically, anything physical you use to prove your residency or immigration status is disappearing. It's all about e-visas now. From today, 17th April 2024, the Home Office will begin to send emails to all those with physical immigration documents, called Biometric Residence Permits (BRPs), inviting them to create a UK Visas and Immigration ukvi account to access their e-visa, a digital proof of their immigration status. Invitations will be issued in phases before the process opens to all BRP holders in summer 2024. It's possible that some of you have already received instructions via email from the Home Office, because they began sending messages yesterday. Make sure you frequently check your emails, particularly if your BRP is about to expire. Perhaps you were given instructions on what to do next. If you've not received a message from the Home Office yet, just be patient because they've mentioned messages will be in stages. The other part of the updates explain detailedly what e-visas are all about. E-visas are a new online mechanism that allows you to verify your immigration status. E-visas are central to making the UK safer by reducing the risk of fraud, loss and abuse of physical documents, strengthening border security, and providing a more secure way to prove immigration status. This will pave the way for increased automation to deliver the government's vision for a contactless border. It is free and straightforward for customers who hold physical and paper documents to create a ukvi account to access their e-visa. Creating a ukvi account will not change, impact, or remove customers' current immigration status or their rights in the UK. Minister for Legal Migration and the Border, Tom Pursglove MP, said, "We've already taken really significant steps to digitally transform the border and immigration system, and this wider rollout of e-visas is a key part of that process. Customers who already have an e-visa do not need to do anything as the crucial change has been made, but should continue to update their account with any changes to personal information, such as a new passport or contact details. Customers should continue to carry their in-date physical immigration documents with them when they travel internationally, until they expire." The e-visa isn't exactly breaking news for those who've settled in the UK through the EU settlement scheme. That's what they've been using: no BRP cards, no vignettes in their passports. It's already up and running. Clearly, the Home Office sees it as a smart move. BRP cards can be pricey to issue, and hey, we're living in a digital age. Technology is advancing, and the world's evolving. Millions who settled in the UK via the EU settlement scheme are already on board with the e-visa. It's nothing new for them. Now, pay attention to those who become citizens of the United Kingdom after their last BRP was given. Here's the situation if you have been given indefinite leave to remain ILR and you're getting ready to submit an application for a British passport shortly. You prevailed. Thanks for watching till the end, and we'll see you tomorrow.